You've got your super premium $1,000 phones, your super affordable $200 phones, and then you've got a really wide gap in between. Huawei hopes that its Honor View 10 can fit that middle space nicely for about $500.
That puts it in direct competition with the OnePlus 5T as a good-looking phone with solid specs that a lot more people can actually afford. It won't have all the extras you get with the iPhone or the Samsung Galaxy S8, but you're definitely getting more than just the basics. It all starts with a 6-inch screen. Resolution is strong, but the display won't be as sharp as the most premium models. Like most phones from Huawei, this one comes with 2 cameras on the back. You get one 20-megapixel lens and a second 16-megapixel camera to enrich those photos. There's some AI software on board to help automatically pick settings, and of course, portrait mode. There's a front-facing camera for your selfies, this one with a 13-megapixel lens. The Honor View 10 has the same octa-core processor that the very premium Huawei Mate 10 Pro has, plus 6 GB of RAM to back it all up. That's a bonus for a phone that comes in at an affordable price. The catch? Depending on where you live, the Honor View 10 may be harder to find. In the US, for example, it will sell on its own website, but not through your carrier. This is a global phone, so you'll be able to buy it in other countries as well, like the UK, Germany, Italy, Spain, and India, starting in January.